Mom is so sick today and resting in bed, so I must cook a special dinner for her.
Oh, my head hurts a little, but I just need to sleep for a short while, sweetie.
Don't worry, Mom. I am going to make the most delicious meal for you all by myself.
Hey, Mike. That sounds like an awesome plan, but do you actually know how to cook pasta? Of course I do, Ben. Look at this easy recipe. It only takes 20 minutes to prepare.
First, I need to wear my safety oven mitts so I do not burn my hands on hot pots.
You look like a real professional chef, Mike. What kind of sauce are you gonna use?
I am using fresh tomato sauce with cheese, garlic, and special spices to make it extra tasty. Okay, let us turn on the heat carefully. Safety always comes first when cooking in the kitchen. Remember to pour enough fresh water into the big pot before adding the dry pasta noodles. Splashing water everywhere. Oops, I need to pour more carefully so I do not make a mess.
Now we wait for the water to boil fast, then we dump all the spaghetti inside right now. The water is bubbling hot, Mike. Put the noodles in and set the timer for 10 minutes.
In go the noodles. This is so easy. I am going to be a master chef very soon.
Now, while the pasta boils, I will heat up the delicious red tomato sauce in this pan. Everything smells good already. I have to go home now for my own dinner. Good luck, Mike. Thanks for visiting, Ben. See you tomorrow at school. And I got everything under control right here.
La la la. Mom is gonna be so surprised when she sees this amazing pasta dish.
Wow, 10 minutes went by so quickly. The spaghetti should be completely ready and cooked now.
Oh boy, this heavy pot is super hot and slippery. I must be very careful not to drop it.
Whoa, that is a lot of hot steam in my eyes. I can barely see anything right now.
Whew! That was intense, but look. The pasta noodles are perfectly cooked and ready to serve.
Now I just mix the noodles with the red tomato sauce over medium heat on the stove.
Let me reread the recipe book while stirring to make sure I did not miss any steps.
Wait a minute. What is that strange smell burning in the kitchen right now? Oh no.
Yikes! The bottom of the pan is turning completely black. The sauce is burning so fast. Oh no, no, no. My beautiful pasta dish is totally ruined. It is completely burnt to crisp. Turn off the heat. Turn off the stove. Quick, before the smoke alarm starts ringing loud. Look at this terrible mess. It smells awful and looks like dark, black, shiny coal rocks.
I ruined everything. I wanted to help my sick mom, but I am just a terrible cook.
Mom worked so hard today, and now I have nothing good to offer her for dinner.
Hello, family. I am home. Whoa, why is there so much smoke floating in the kitchen?
Dad, I tried to cook dinner for Mom because she is sick, but I burned everything badly.
Hey, look at me, buddy. It is completely okay to make mistakes when you learn to cook. You had a wonderful heart trying to care for your mother. I am super proud of you.
Really, Dad? But the food is completely ruined, and we have no dinner prepared for Mom.
The burnt pasta is ruined, yes, but we still have fresh bread, butter, and cheese left. Look here. We have fresh eggs, sliced bread, butter, and yellow cheese right in the fridge.
Can we make grilled cheese sandwiches and eggs? Do you think Mom will like that, Dad? She will absolutely love it.
Let us team up and make the best warm sandwiches together. First step, we clean up the old mess together so our cooking workspace is clean again.
Look, Dad. I cracked the egg without breaking the yolk or dropping any shell inside. Perfect.
Excellent job, Mike. Spreading butter evenly on the outside makes the grilled cheese super crispy.
Adding lots of cheddar cheese. Cheese makes everything taste 10 times better and super delicious.
Now we keep the heat low and cook slowly so the cheese melts without burning the bread.
I am watching the bread very closely this time. No burnt food on my watch today.
Wow, look at that gorgeous golden color. It smells so savory and nice right now, Dad. Perfect flip. See how cooking with patience and low heat makes a huge difference, son?
Yeah.
What is that wonderful smell wafting into my room? It smells so delicious and warm. Did someone order food? Or is somebody cooking something special down in the kitchen? I feel a little better now. Let me go downstairs and see what my family is doing.
Plate number 1 is ready. These grilled cheese sandwiches look absolute picture perfect and yummy.
And here are the fresh scrambled eggs. Our super special dinner platter is complete, Chef Mike.
Good evening, my hardworking chefs. What are you two handsome gentlemen making in here?
Mom, you are awake. Look, Dad and I made a warm dinner especially for you.
Oh my goodness. Did you cook all this for me? But wait, what happened to that dark pan?
Well, I tried to make fancy pasta first, but I accidentally burned it into black rocks.
He wanted to surprise you so you could rest, honey. He worked super hard all evening.
Oh, Mike. You tried to cook dinner all by yourself just to help your sick mother?
That is the sweetest, kindest thing anyone has ever done for me in my entire life. I don't care about a burnt pan at all. Your loving heart makes me feel so happy.
I love you so much, Mom. I was so scared you would be angry about the mess.
Angry? Never. I am the luckiest mother in the world to have such a thoughtful son.
Come on, everyone. Let us sit down at the table and enjoy this wonderful meal together.
Fresh orange juice for everyone. A complete 5-star dinner prepared by Chef Mike and Dad.
Crunch. The bread is so crispy and the cheese is so delightfully warm and melty. Wow. This is honestly the most delicious grilled cheese sandwich I have ever tasted in my life.
Really, Mom? Even better than fancy restaurant pasta with special sauce and cheese?
Absolutely. Because the secret ingredient in this sandwich is the pure love you put inside it.
Mom is totally right. Love makes every simple meal taste like a grand royal feast.
Cheers to Chef Mike, the bravest and most loving little chef in our whole entire house.
Yum. It really does taste amazing. Next time, I promise I will not burn the pasta. Next time, I will be your official co-chef from the very beginning to watch the stove.
Deal. But tonight, this simple meal is more than perfect for my heart and tummy.
The warm sunlight sets outside, leaving our house filled with delicious smells and loud laughter.
I learned that making mistakes is okay, as long as you do not give up easily.
That is the spirit, buddy. Great chefs learn from burned meals to make better ones.
Thank you for caring for me today, my sweet boy. You truly made my day bright.
Cooking adventures might be crazy, but sharing meals with family makes everything joyful and fun.
Remember, you do not need fancy ingredients to make someone happy with food. Because pure love is always the most important and special ingredient in every single meal.
Thank you for watching our story. Spread love and joy to your family today, everyone.